Yo guys, what is up guys? It's all Swaggo here. Hope your day is going well. My day's going pretty well too. So in today's video, we'll be unboxing my new desk I received. It's actually right here beside me. It's an L-shaped desk. So it's going to make our setup look much better. And if you guys don't remember from me unboxing the Alienware Aurora R7, my desk actually looked like crap. Like, it was just really messy. So once I have this all set up, it's going to look really nice. So I'm going to unbox this for you guys and set it up in a time lapse. And here we go. So me and my brother here, we've got it like half completed, and I mean, it's been kind of hard, but I mean, we're already halfway there, so I know it's going to be a long time lapse, so keep on watching, and we're going to finish it off. Okay, we're finally done, you guys. JJ, how long did this take?
A year.
Yeah, a year, guys. 365 days. But it's finally done, and we're going to put the electronics on it. So we're going to do another time lapse out again. So here we go. Completely done, as you guys can see. That is it right there, the Alienware Aurora right there, and my keyboard's right there. So it looks really nice from last time, and so that's just that part right there. I got a whole bunch of cords right there. I got my TV right there, and then over here is the shelves and all. That's my brother, Marston Gaming, and yeah.
Edit that out.
Yo guys, I just want to say thank you guys for watching the video, taking time out your day to watch this. As well guys, if you guys are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. And I'm making this video right now because I didn't have time to make an ending yesterday for the video, and this is just kind of a next day ending for the video, and that's why my hair looks crazy and all, and I'm wearing different clothes. But you guys, if you guys are new to the channel again, please feel free to subscribe for more future gaming content. I do got a gaming video coming out this Wednesday, so stay tuned for that, you guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Let's aim for 10 likes on this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.